Welcome to Dynamic Custom and Restore. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest video notification.
Hi, today I will doing unboxing video of brand new air filter with regulator. This is a mounting bracket for filter unit and pressure gauge. Let's unpack and see it, how it's look. It comes with plastic guard protection. We get 4 screws for mounting to filter. Minimum air pressure is 8 psi, equals about 0.5 kilograms. Maximum pressure is 150 psi, equals about 10 kilograms. In the bottom, it has a drainage valve. At sides has a main airline input and output connections. Let me show you inside of it. Simply twisting it will open. As you can see, it has a heavy plastic container. At the top has O-ring. This is the filter element with baffle. Now assemble pressure gauge using Teflon tape. You need to buy the singline adapters separately. Remove the plastic protector and fit mounting bracket with screws. This is the pre-filter that I made. It will separate water and oil in stage 1. After then, air regulator will do the remaining separation for clean air. For adjusting pressure, you need to pop up the adjusting knob and rotate. It will slowly increase the pressure. After getting required pressure, press down the adjusting knob to lock it. That's it. This filter will protect from water and oil. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe our channel.